Hi, my name is Chris Johnson. I'm a partner here at Johnson McGinnis Elder Care Law. Oftentimes when people think of elder care law or estate planning, what they're thinking of, don't we just need to transfer our resources and put them in a trust or give them to our children to make sure that everything's squared away? And the problem with that is it's so much more than that. We do not want to just transfer assets to protect them from the nursing home. What we want to do is make sure that our clients are cared for. That is always the primary aspect of our planning. And so people will see me right on the board as I'm going through what our plan is. Are you safe? Are you healthy in your environment? And what things can we do to keep you there? Because on the Elder Care Continuum, the magic of all of this is the healthier you are, the higher your quality of life and the lower your care costs. And I know that sounds like common sense, but we often don't think about it in those terms. And when you start putting those pieces together, our goal is always the same as our client's goal. Most often they want to stay at home and be as happy and comfortable for as long as possible. And that's what we're really looking to accomplish. As you look at the Elder Care Continuum, what you're looking is the 4 lines is what our clients affectionately refer to it as. It's the interplay of functionality, care, the cost of that care, and the resources that are available. And so on that first line, when you start on the left-hand side, that's when we're all fully independent, which most of us are these days. But as we age and as we get older, we need assistance with things that are referred to as activities of daily living, or ADLs. Do you have trouble getting up? Maybe we need a lift chair. Are stairs difficult? Maybe we need to get a lift chair up the stairs. Maybe it's time to retire mowing for the lawn and hire a service to mow the lawn. What we want to do is keep our clients safe and keep our clients healthy. Because when they are safe and they are healthy, they can stay in the environment of their choosing so much longer. And that's where that care piece comes in on line 2. Wherever you are on the functionality curve, we want to make sure you are getting the requisite amount of care, because life has a say. We may want to stay at home and be independent as long as possible, but maybe we had a medical event, maybe we had a stroke, maybe we had a fall, and now we fast forward to the nursing facility and we're rehabbing our way back. Well, what we want to do is get to a place where they're safe, keep the cost down to a minimum, but also make sure that our clients are happy and safe in their new environment or able to work back to their next environment. Every one of us is on the continuum. That continuum is from when you turned 18 and you were a fully independent adult all the way to when you pass. And so all of us are somewhere. I often like to make the joke, I joined the continuum here recently. I moved just a tiny peg. It was a couple years ago when I got these glasses. And people always laugh, but I cannot read without them these days. I need my glasses on. But what I tell my clients is, if you can recognize the small things, you won't miss the big things. And the big things are those activities of daily living. Can you bathe yourself? Can you dress yourself? Can you feed yourself? Can you toilet yourself? So what are we afraid of when we are looking at our new client and we're walking through and we're analyzing everything? We ask for a lot of information from our clients because we need to understand where they're at right now. And one of the big things we focus on are, what are their ADLs? And then, are their care needs being met? Because when your care that is being provided to you lags behind what your care needs are, that's what creates the proverbial danger zone. That's where our clients are at a higher risk for a fall or another bad life event that can put them all the way over to the right into the skilled nursing facility, and then they're working hard to rehab their way back. Well, if we can help our clients avoid that journey, I tell my clients all the time, I don't want you ever to be in a skilled nursing facility. I don't want you to be in a facility of any type. And so anything that we can do to mitigate that by making sure you're getting the appropriate level of care, whether that's in-home caregivers, whether that's durable medical equipment, maybe we look at an independent living facility, but anything we can do to keep your quality of life high and your care costs down, that's the best planning that can be done. So if you want to learn more about how to find, get, and pay for good care, ensure that your ducks in a row, that everything is taken care of, and that if life throws you a curveball, you have a plan that's designed to deal with it. Reach out to Johnson McGinnis Elder Care Law, set up your consultation, and let us help you get squared away for you and for the next generation.